Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, but there again, my people. Big up, respect, manners to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, my people. So in this video, I want to talk to you about a certain amount of videos that I saw on social media. Alright, so first things first. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a motorist driving a motor vehicle in a risky way. So based on what I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a motorist had been instructed by more than one person to drive a motor vehicle at the edge of a road. In my point of view, I think it is highly dangerous and I wouldn't recommend anyone to do anything like this. I want to take a look at the video and tell me what I think about this situation. Now please bear in mind that the video is somewhat shocking, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe and tell me what I think. No, the license plate on that motor vehicle is red in the viewers and subscribers. See me? And I think adults within the country of Jamaica know what I mean when I point out that. See? Look, if I was a passenger inside of that motor vehicle and realize that the driver do, I am going to tell that driver to stop and let me get out of that motor vehicle. Cause me not stay in that. Now, on the topic of motor vehicles, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show motor vehicles being driven by motorists some dangerous ways at Flatbridge that's located within St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yes, some people might say within the area that is known as the Gorge or so forth. You understand me, viewers and subscribers. Now, the video also shows at least one police service motor vehicle from within the country of Jamaica. And I think that this video shows why certain things might happen, could have happened, and happen within that area that is known as Flatbridge. That's within the country of Jamaica. Look, listen, and observe for yourself, my people.
I don't know what shop man I say man do, you know.
Notice that motor vehicle.
Actually, taxi man squeeze between them, so. Some mad people in Jamaica, you know. We mad, they're afraid.
You see that?
I see police. Taxi man there and the police are now. Trouble.
But the truck, they're in front of the police motor vehicle.
And the police are going to feed. Catch him, all them. Catch him there. Ratty, they know. Me ratty, that the truck, it is a truck. I need confusion. Taxi man,
see what you look like the motor vehicle gone down so.
They can't catch a play there. This a truck man that look like you don't know where man do to both side. And who give him truck man? Man can wait on corner and hitch up to Ratty.
But people, it's not easy if it drive on them the road, they within the big unit motor vehicles in the man.
See my reverser now? Oh, this a truck man you know. You know, this a man not see police. Ah, Scotty. Catch him one. Nobody run on the brother there.
The people see what I
run on the brother there. Truck man no sense. Alright, look at the big old truck and all just wrap it up around the corner. Easy. The man a drive like I don't know. When the little truck man a drive on a base man. Mr. Brother wrap it up around the truck you know. Look up on the lungs. It must be 40 foot at the rotted. Look how easy wrap it up. Squad still a go? Squad you now make it man.
Just see what I go on people. You see watch it.
Everybody know one piece of heat. We go cross. Watch out now.
You might even notice the traffic. We call it the stop light. Notice the light. Look at the light. See?
Hey, what's the kid?
Reckless drivings. Me see another video of them people. See? Just imagine that this video recorded on one day. Just imagine the amount of reckless drivings that happen within that area. To each and every motorist. I know that sometimes we want to be at a certain place at a certain time, but it better off you reach late than not reach none at all. Take on time on the road, drive carefully for each and every one. See? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that's going to show some things that happened on a day when somehow it had been realized that snakes was inside of a ceiling of a building. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I'm talking about this video is because this video shows a dangerous situation. And more than one snakes was inside of the ceiling of the building. And based on information that I got the understanding that the necessary authority or authorities was notified about the situation on that day when the video be recorded. And snakes was removed from the premises. You understand? Now, if you ever go inside of a building, whether it wants to be your house or a public building or what, and if you see anything hanging from a ceiling looking like this, don't take no chances. Call the police or the necessary authority or authorities. You understand? Now I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at this video. In my point of view, I think that this video is just piece of an entire video that has been posted on social media. Alright? And this video is somewhat shocking. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. So matter but just why I understand so matter I'm one snake them in the people. You see? And look like one foot gone a different place. You see that? So you take this thing for a joke. Don't take it for a joke, people. You don't take them things for no joke. You might be surprised to know how long those snakes was inside of that ceiling of a building. Eh? And those are some large snakes in my point of view. No joke. My people, don't take what I said as no joke. Believe you me. Me? And then who's to have a video record have the heart to stand up on a video record where I go on. No, say some big snake them. I tell you, my skin feel. My people, tell me what you think about that situation. I mean, it may all sweat. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident. So the video shows a motor vehicle that went off-road and into bushes. And the video also shows a person trying to climb up from where the motor vehicle was at. Viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the video had been posted at least one place on social media, claiming that someone was driving the motor vehicle and somehow the motor vehicle went off the road and into bushes. The video had been posted at least one place on social media saying that the video shows a motor vehicle that go down in the gully, as all some Jamaicans might say. You understand me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the video has been talked about on social media and I would like you to take a look at this situation and tell me what you think. I think it is a sad situation and I tried to get information to determine if there was any fatality and injury. You understand me? However, I did not get any confirmed information about anything like that, viewers and subscribers. But you can always check the comment section as I will leave a comment or comments to let them know. Alright, now here's the video that I'm going to present to you. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think, my people.
Daddy, see if we can go so. Go back that side, yeah.
That's a car. That's a car. The road, right down in the gully. Coming from this way, I guess. And it slides all the way. It slides down there. Now he's trying to come up.
Hey, the good of me.
Bro, this light pole. He's actually trying to come up, but the place is so steep.
Many wires still.
Trying to get some.
Ever no go down there? Ever no go down there? Free. Me know, but you see my time come up. They take time.
Yeah, come cross here there.
Yeah,
come cross here there, sir. Move front side like car. Yeah, take time come up. Yeah, man. Go in the bush same way.
Maybe I batch it. Maybe I batch it.
And I tell you blow you.
Car is
Me, to be honest, you can always buy back a motor vehicle, but you can't buy life. You understand? Something like that happen, and that man looks like a man of age. I mean, for him now, if you talk about him, I go try disconnect battery and all them things, and that the kind of situation, I better leave that the motor vehicle and try climb up. You see me? I say, make who can go angle that, or some expert. You see me? Because that's a dangerous situation. I mean, the motor vehicle look like it just catch at a certain part. What if the motor vehicle slide and start to move again? You see me? Come on, that's dangerous. You see me? I say, yeah man, so you can always buy back a motor vehicle, you can't buy life. So let me know what you think about that video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Sandra, Peter, all of my viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. Gaza Spartan, you don't see the thing set already. Mitzi, big up yourself, Mitzi. You see, I want me pronounce each and every one name properly though. That's the thing with me. Sometimes I kinda have a problem when it comes down to pronunciating names. You see me I say? But I hope you understand me. I just saw it go, but big up and respect me. I appreciate you all. You don't know Dancehall Skilla doing thing already. You see it? Yeah, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.